It is a very beautiful day here in Yallahs at my own place, guys, at my country lifestyle. Thank you so much for everyone who's been watching all my videos. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to always like, subscribe, share this video, and also comment as well, guys. Tell another friend to tell another friend. This is my country lifestyle, guys, and I am here today, to do a little bit of cutting, guys. And also, what about over here as well, guys? See if I can finish pack this little skill that I was starting before as well, guys. So that is also another video to watch as well, guys. So I'm going to see what I can do today, guys. So it's quite a lot to do on the lawn today. And also I got a lot of fresh things that's been growing up, lots of fresh bush, lots of things that's been growing up here, guys. I'm a country lifestyle. But anyway, guys, just keep an eye and see what I do on this lawn. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, and let us get into this video. My country lifestyle starts now. So this is the coal, guys. I need to try and get this into the rucksack. Yes, it's time to get this in the rucksack. Lizards, I know lizards and things like that. We're gonna eat this thing. And I need to make a little hut as well on here, guys. I don't know if I will have enough time to do things like that. Oh, there's a crock in the ground, guys. Look at this. It's a big crock in this ground. That's a bit shocking to see that. And there's some bits and pieces of coal here, guys. So these can be used in the stove as well. Well, I normally call them trimmings. Oh, look at this lizard, guys. I've never seen a lizard like that. I told you that lizard come underneath here. Yeah, I think he's disappearing, gone. Got a lot of coal here, but let me pull it this way. Yes, I don't understand why so many lizards like to stay underneath these things, yeah? Yeah. So I need to get these into the rucksack. Right, got my machete here and the gloves. Okay, this is the thing I want to fix up a little bit, Make it look nice. So I need to try and throw this inside here. But if I'm going to do it, it's better to throw it on the zinc, guys. I think that would be a smart idea. So if any of the coal, is going to fall, at least it can fall inside and the zinc, so it can just be reused again. Yeah. Like that, but at the same time we need, I don't know if that was that. I think that should be enough. Okay. There's leaves in it. We don't want no leaves in it, guys. Just want to get the biggest piece inside. Yeah. Yes guys, so I left the bits and pieces there, and I got one sock hold with me, guys. Yeah, so that is gonna go inside the room. I still need some more. Here it is over there, guys. We got some coal over here as well. And there's quite a lot I managed to get out there. It's not too bad for at all. For the size of it, guys, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. So, for what it is, it's okay. And one bag is over there. Yes. So that's literally one bag, guys. But we get a lot more than that. It's a lot more than that, guys. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to see if I can do some repacking today. But this time, this is going to be a full burn, guys. So this will take a little while because it has to be dirt in and everything. But what I'm going to do, I just want to make a small one and show you guys that how this one is going to burn different from how this one was burned, guys. So that, please look out for all that as well, guys. Yeah? Okay, let us continue through the video. Well, this one, guys, I need to cover. I still need to cover it anyway because don't get it twisted, it can still be used, guys. These bits and pieces can still be used. Yes, all those finals can use. So this now, guys, is what I need to work on. So what I should do, guys, is kind of fix it a bit like umbrella, like an umbrella skill. So when I say umbrella skill, it means that these will need to be a bit lower, or what I'm going to do is from there, just try and do it wide, guys, from there. So that's what I'm going to try and do now, guys. Yeah? So anyway, let us continue through this video and see what we can do from here. Yes, guys, so look at this shape now, guys. It's so different this one is now. And it's going to be lit right in there, guys. Right there, it's going to be lit. So after I dirt it, and I come around this side, guys, then we can start light it from in the middle. So this is just a little example of how the coal can look like and things like that. So yeah, so we're going to pack it, guys. So now is bullshit now, guys. You see, so this is not going to be big as the other one, but I have a feeling it's going to burn a lot more coal. It might sound a bit crazy than the other one, so let's see anyway. So this one is just going to be strictly dirt, guys. So stand by for that one. So the only thing I need to do now is just pack some stone around it. So the way this one is going to be done, guys, is going to be so different, you know. So this one is going to be more of a steam burn. So this one, you have to put a lot of dirt on it, guys. See, so for example, I'd put something like that around here, like that. Still has to be bush no matter what. Right, so something like that. There's going to be dirt up, guys, everything, you know. Everything will be dirt up. I'd like to continue around it with the stone, but well, not to worry. No, not a big deal. Just get some bush, put on it, and let's dirt it, guys. Let's do this. Let's get some bush. So these is the wild grapes, guys. The best thing to use, guys, is grass. The green grass is the best to put on these things. But let's see anyway what happens. So it's a lot, guys. We're going to get a lot. And then I'm going to dirt him good and proper, guys. We have to give him a very good dirting for this. Yes. I still need to cut some more bushes. You know what? I think the best thing to do, guys, if I'm not mistaken, you see these green grasses up here? The best thing to do is dig these ones out. These will be very good to put on top, guys. These are going to solve the problem. I think I should dig these ones out. Let's dig them out and see. These ones are already dig out, guys. So what I do is just put in the shovel somewhere here and go on. And you go like that, and if you don't see come up, a little deeper. And there you go guys, another one like that. See? That's how you take those growers out, you leave them there. But yes, if it rains, of course, they definitely will grow back again guys. So this is the best thing. If you're going to cut these things, it's best to take them out from the root. And this one is ready to come out. This one, bingo. Yeah, bingo. Bingo, bingo, bingo. This is really good, bingo. Bingo, bingo. I have just hit the jackpot, yes. Another one come out again guys. Jackpot again. Look at that, beautiful. Right guys, so I'm going to start to take some of these here with me. So this is ready for the cold still guys. Like I could never gonna reach. Yes guys, so I put some here already. So these ones are gonna go around here. So this one is gonna be really done good guys. This is no pre-burn, this one is called steam burn guys. So now it's time to show the real cold skill now guys. There we go guys. Now let's not forget the part where to put that little chip as well guys. Let's not forget that part as well. We don't want to be leaving that out as well, so that's important. Yeah. Yes. We're just gonna keep putting around here guys. It's part of the burn of this guys. This is where we're gonna light the coal right in here, so and then get some more sticks to. But yeah, we got somewhere ready to cover guys. Yeah, all ready to go here. Okay guys, that's easily arrived here now. So this is where I'm going to end the video anyway guys. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to always like, subscribe and share guys. And tell another friend to tell another friend. Thank you so much. Yeah, look more my brother. Yes guys, so thank you. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video around. Tell another friend to tell another friend. Yes guys, it's getting dark, so you will get me to see me continue over there with everything guys. Yeah, so it's time to get myself in guys. Time to pick up my machete. Time to go inside my country lifestyle. And good night guys. It's time to take a shower over there and time to go to bed now guys. Thank you so much. Signing out from Jamaica. Here in Yallahs, my country lifestyle is ended. Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy right guys, you know, it's really good price, you know, so come here to Marrakesh guys, the square market is beautiful guys. Look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in here. Look at that. Oh, I think he must have rocked. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American. 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Look at the video, it's very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. But you know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.